This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Donita Everhart. Are you looking to be close to the city but far enough away from the hustle and bustle? This home is perfect for you. With this open floor plan, you will be able to cook dinner and be part of the family at the same time. Do you enjoy sitting outside drinking your coffee or tea? The Florida room is perfect for that. Looking for a fenced-in yard? This home has that too. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and a 2-car garage. Laundry is in the residence. New roof 2018. New air conditioner 2019. New hot water heater 2022. New dishwasher 2019. New microwave 2022. Hurry! Don't delay. For more